Well, I can't believe the fuss that has been caused by this little parcel. I thought it would be fun to just kind of say, can you guess what's in it? And we've had some very interesting guesses. It came from China. I did say that there was 8 things in here, and they are replacements. And I've also said that we personally, oh, I can see them now, we don't have time to use them. Anyway, this is a clue as to what's in there. They are 8 replacement footballs for the foosball table in the farmhouse. So there we go. We just keep losing them. So there are some new ones for guests to lose. I think I might remove the knife. Well, no one guessed it. Not quite sure what to do about that.